Hi, and welcome to week 4 of Debunking the Myths of Renovation Reality TV. We've been talking about how to set clear expectations for your renovation project so that you're set up well and well informed to pick a great team to guide you through a project on your home. And today I want to talk about budget. Budget is another area where there is a lot of misinformation out there. And one of the questions that I get most often that I want to talk about debunking today is price per square foot. In renovation projects, price per square foot just really doesn't work. Price per square foot came from new construction homes. A lot of new construction homes will give ranges like $150 to $200 per square foot, or $300 per square foot for a luxury home. Those are built off of a template. And so essentially, it's very easy to say price per square foot because they are saying, okay, for a house of, 3,000 square feet, we spread out the costs over the entire house. For this much, you get this level of finishes. For this much, you get this higher level of finishes, etc. When we're talking about renovation projects, often we're talking about bathrooms and kitchens. Bathrooms and kitchens are the most densely kind of populated areas of a home, if we're talking, in terms of the number of trades involved and the amount of materials involved and the types of fixtures involved. And so price per square foot takes high density areas like a bathroom with like a low density area like a living room, which is basically just floors, walls, lighting, moldings, and averages them out. And the living room has a lot more square footage than the bathroom, but it costs a lot less to fit it out. And so when we're talking about renovating kitchens or bathrooms or other areas of your home that are existing, price per square foot really is not ideal. The way that we actually create a budget is based on the number of trades that get to work their way through the project, the level of quality of fixtures and finishes that you're looking for, whether we're looking at, stock items or custom items or something in between, and also the existing conditions. So we'll look at, how much of what's there can we keep intact and work off of, or do we have to gut the entire thing? Do we have to rebuild the walls? Or can we just paint them, for example? It's going to be a very different price point. So if I get a phone call with someone asking me, oh, can you just give me an idea of like a price per square foot? It's always a no. No, no, no. Now, the other thing that comes up a lot is, oh, it's just a very small bathroom. Usually the size of the bathroom isn't what's driving the cost. It's the number of fixtures involved. So for example, a bathroom that is 5 by 7, which is a standard, sort of small, standard size bathroom with a tub, a vanity, and a toilet, versus a bathroom that is, say, 5 by 10 with a toilet, a vanity, and a tub. They're going to be approximately the same cost to renovate because the only difference is a little bit more floor tile, essentially. Maybe a little bit more sheetrock on the walls. If you then go into, okay, the bathroom is 5 by 7, but I want to enlarge it, I want to reframe all the walls, I want to add a shower and a bathtub and a double vanity and change the layout of everything, then all of that will affect the budget much more dramatically. And so, again, the size of the bathroom doesn't matter. It's about the amount of work that you're going to do, the amount of work needed to get it from where it currently is to where you want it to be. So, all to say, if you are looking to create a solid budget and a plan for your project, there are some resources available to support you with that, or you can talk with a trusted guide to get some budget ranges and trust that the quote for the project will be firmer and more accurate the more clear you are on what you want to do and what you want to install, kind of materials you want to use. So in our process, we always set a budget range at the start of the design process with the understanding that a firm quote will be generated only once the designs are complete. We know exactly what we're building, how we're building it, and what materials we're using so we can get firm quotes for everything. That is how we do it. And again, price per square foot, not the best way to think about renovation projects. Every renovation project is really custom tailored to the existing conditions, what you're putting in there, how many different trades have to come through. The last piece I want to mention is with regards to the number of trades that need to come through. If you're doing a project like just painting or just flooring, it makes sense probably for you to find a flooring contractor or a painting contractor that you can hire directly. But if you are doing a project like a bathroom, which has maybe 7 or 8 different trades, we're talking about demo, framing, tiling, sheetrock, plumbing, electrical, carpentry, painting, all of those different trades that get to go through, it makes sense then to hire a general contractor. Either a GC who has a team that do all of those different trades, or a GC who will manage the project and bring in all the trades when they need to come through, making sure that the work is done well along the way. I hope that this has been helpful for you. I hope that you've been enjoying these videos, and there will be another one next week, so stay tuned. It's been another episode of Debunking the Myths of Renovation Reality TV. And again, I'm Tammy, Creative Director here at Houseplay Renovations. If there's anything we can support you with, feel free to reach out through our contact form at hprnj.com. Look forward to speaking with you.